Guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Listen, I'm serious about spending time, quality time with my family. It's important. I miss out a lot of time while working with my eldest child. And now God has blessed me with another child, and I said to myself, I'm not gonna do that thing again. Working overtime and all the time and extra time and many times just to make a few bucks and miss out a lot of opportunities. What I notice it is that at the end of the day, it is that money that you get after all this year that you're working, it's not worth it. Some of the people wants to work until they 40, they work until 40 years and 35 years and all that number of years and want to work until they're 65. Me, myself, and I said to myself, let me jump off this boat, this ship that is keeping me here tied up. Let me jump out. And what I did, I jumped into the world of online business. It was new for me. I've learned a lot of skills. And the thing that I gained the most out of it is the extra time that I have. There is nobody breathing down my neck for documents they want, things they want to done, meetings that they have to attend, workshops that they have to attend, Saturdays, all that things. You are constantly working for that little money that you get once a month. Because I got paid once a month. Now I'm in an online business. I get paid daily. There is no way that I can work until thy kingdom come and wait, and then the money is finished. So if you in that grind like that I was, and you want to do it for the sake of your children, you want to spend quality time, especially the older you get, please make the decision and jump onto the opportunity. I'm selling the 6-figure blueprint, online opportunity that you can make daily pay. It's a $50 product and a $150 product. If you're interested, seriously interested, please click on the link and it will take you to the page where you can learn more about all the people who've made lots and lots of money and they've spent quality time. Do yourself a favor and invest in yourself as a person and grow your business so that very same children of you can benefit from. At least you will leave them a business. Do it like me. Thank you.